Hold on.
Okay guys, back again with the part of this video. Guys, as you can see, the circuit board is in the chassis. I put it back in the chassis because I pour it up after I put in the MOSFETs, as I was showing you guys. Alright, so I replace the MOSFET. These MOSFET, let me tell you guys, I replace it with the, as I said I was gonna replace it with the 3205. These are P60NF06. So they look like this, and the number is faded though, I don't know, you know. And those MOSFET, they are always still like that. So let guys, let me show you the one I had a 5, yeah. I use this one, this one. It's a very good one. They work really good. This this one works really good, guys. Yeah, this 3205. So that's what I use for this. This amplifier is the same circuit board as the massive audio. The massive audio NA Nano N4. Yeah, same circuit board, 2000 watt version, and this. So I don't know, this one was, hold on, this one was what? This says that. It says 3000. Okay, I don't know if it does it. Never said dynamis on it, but guys, yeah, this has been repaired. I think I'm gonna do a bench test now and see if everything works well, as I said. And I also removed the TL494. I replaced it, and there this IC beside it for it, the 393. I replaced that 393. Yeah, that LM393. It's of 8-pin IC. Yeah, I also replaced that one. And I didn't find any diode bad, but these are the 2X SMD transistors, 2X. Yeah, two of them at the top here, and at the bottom from this thermistor right here. Yep. So the top is the both of them at the top here is the 2X, and these are 2T at the bottom towards the TL494. Okay guys, so yeah, you have amplifier that blows up, because at first I was wondering if all of them was the TL494, because the 2T them, I mean the 2T them was reading was bad. They smoke up, and I couldn't see no part, couldn't get to read the part number on it. So yeah, but this side over here I have a copy right beside the TL494, four like over there. So I take a look there and I realize how they lined out, and that's how I get to really find out exactly. But otherwise I would know, because I work on these and replace these already from. So all I would have to do go watch one of my videos, which is, that's a good thing, you know. The video help me too, and it help you guys, because if I did something and I didn't get to write it on paper, yeah, I could go back and always watch the video and see what I did replace it with. That's why I said this is the same as the massive audio, yeah, that I repaired before. Yeah, I repaired a lot of them, same exact circuit board, same everything. Alright, so guys, when I did it, guys, before I tell you, I pour it up. If you trust yourself, please, like your repair work, just don't. You trust yourself, try to, you know, because what I did, with my leads I use, and these are massive. This is like, yeah, this goes down to 0 gauge, yeah. This go down to 0 gauge, as you could see, yeah. So I hook it up, push the wires way inside, and screw, you know, the terminal down to the wire, and the amplifier wasn't pouring up. I was like, nothing. I switched it on, nothing overheating, nothing. So I was like, no, that's weird. It seems like it's not getting any voltage at all. And then what I do, I was like, no, I don't understand. So I take these wires. Before I did that, I tested the voltage here, and I didn't get any, wasn't getting any. I'm like, oh, that's weird, you know, not getting any volts and the wires inside. So I was like, okay. What I did, I take this wire out and look for the edge of the screw, right to the screw, and the screw exactly into the wire itself, and I switch it up, the power's up, and but I didn't get to do anything else. I said, alright, I'm just gonna put it in chassis. I don't think anything really else wrong with it, but it could be, I don't know. But wow, let's see, let's just see. I shouldn't hit it, but I keep doing that. I don't know why, guys. Just repairing stuff and trusting the repair sometimes, which is not always a good thing. Alright, so this guy removed all the screws for the terminal. No screws. Alright, and maybe he thinks I have screws. Alright. Here I give him a show right now. Scoop wire. Alright, oh yeah, I should turn this in. Maybe you guys can see. Power light is right here, guys. So look in this corner. Turn these gain knob down. Oh yeah, that's already down. This is already down. This. Let's see, guys, if we get anything from this amplifier. I shouldn't even hook it up to this speaker. Hold on. This one is easy to show you guys, but I want to hook it up to these sub I have here. So these massive audio and acoustic sub that I have in a box right here. So I'm gonna hook it up to that and see what all goes well. Let me put the phone right here. Hold on, guys, let me switch it on. Let you see, you guys see anything here. Alright, guys, as you guys can see, we get a blue light. Oh yes, we get a blue light. Huh. This guy's a bit. keyboard down, yeah. Alright, let me take the video from the phone from here and okay guys, yep, so everything seems to be, oh, sorry about my hand there in the video, yeah, guys. Alright, and it also comes with a little blue light at the top here guys, so I don't know if you can see it clear, yeah, it's really pretty. Yeah, one at a time. Yeah, there's a blue light here. Yeah. No, that's yep. Oh man, that's what was. Alright guys, that's it for this bench test of this amplifier. Alright, that's it for the bench test. So guys, yep, that's it. I replaced just a power supply MOSFET with 32.5. I don't know why I keep saying mixing this number up with something else. So repair and bench test is over. This amplifier. And the output MOSFET on these is the IRF 640N. So yeah, it uses like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. 5 on one side, 5 on 10 in all. Okay. And yes guys, that's about it for this repair. And any question you guys ask me, you know, I answer as best as I can, as fast as I can guys. As I told you guys before, I do 2 jobs. This I have a full-time job plus this make 2, so the full-time job take up most of my time, plus I have to babysit during the day, so a lot of time I don't have time to really make videos. So that's my life story for now. So sometimes I don't get time to really read your texts guys, yeah, I don't get to, just because of my busy schedule. So now, that's funny. Wow, really? So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see guys, because I have much more coming up, but I have to do this as best as I can for now, like, you know, because it's really take a lot of time to make videos guys, to tell you the truth. With my situation it's really hard, but I try to squeeze in as much as I can now and then, you know. Yeah, I could be making more videos, but I don't have the time. I even have some that I don't post as well, because my wife is the one who posts video and do all that stuff like that. She's the one who, yeah, because I don't have time. She have to do that at night when the kids are asleep. So, and I have to do this like on Sundays and Saturdays only. when I get time. During the week I can't do nothing. Only if my wife is off for like 1 day sometimes I'll do this, but sometimes I have other stuff doing than this, so that's why you don't see a lot of video from me, guys, and stuff like that. But I'll try as best as I can get out, you know, some information to you guys as best as I can. So please bear with me for now, guys, and thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And the repair of this DB drive WDX is finished. 3000 watts. Alright, guys, peace out. Thank you, guys. CNC Electronics out for now.
Hold on.